Hey guys, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on simplification taken from the November 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump in. The question says simplify the following completely. And we have in the first set of brackets 2y plus 3, and in the second set 7y squared minus 6y minus 8. Now, to answer a question like this, we're going to work with each of those terms in the first bracket. The first term is going to get multiplied into every single one of the terms in the second bracket, and then we'll do the exact same with the second term in the first bracket. So, to start, we're going to say 2y times 7y squared gives us 14y cubed. Then 2y minus 6y squared multiplied together gives us minus 12y squared. And then 2y times minus 8y gives us negative 16y. Then we've still got to work with the second term, and we're going to say 3 times by 7y squared gives us positive 21y squared. Then 3 times negative 6y gives us negative 18y, and 3 times negative 8 gives us negative 24. Alright, now we look for like terms and we join them together and simplify. So we've got 14y cubed. Do we have any other y cubed? No, we don't, so that's the only term there, so we'll write it down. Then we have a minus 12y squared and a positive 21y squared, and it's really important that you take the sign into account. The sign is attached to the number. So negative 12 plus 21y squared is positive 9y squared. And then we have minus 16y minus 18y. So minus 16y minus 18y gives us minus 34y. And the last term that we have left is a negative 24. Is this as simple as it can go? Doesn't look like we can simplify further. So that is our final answer, giving us 2 easy marks. That's it from me, but before I go, I just want to do a quick shout out to our sponsor, Prolog Solutions. For all your export and import solutions, check them out in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.